We just caught this big coho buck salmon. Let's see what it cuts like. Turn myself. I did ask the people, like, hey, what do you think it'll cut out? Good? And they're like, oh yeah, it's good. I'm like, all right. So we decided to take this home and see. It's a pretty big fish. Produce a lot of meat. And voila. It's pretty thick, my friends. All right. Let's get this other side. Turn the blade. Let the knife just do the work. Turn that blade upward. Secure the fin. And there it is. Boom. Just like that. 2 beautiful salmon fillets right there, folks.